Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to append datasets in Stata. So if you have multiple datasets with similar kinds of information about the unique identifier of your dataset in your dataset, then you may want to join them together to make it a single data file. So there's some difference between merging datasets and appending datasets. So in merging the datasets, what we do is to add the number of variables or columns in your data and from multiple files of data. However, in appending dataset, what we do is join the datasets together, adding the rows in your dataset, not the columns or the variables. So I will make it clear when I do it. So I have three datasets, dataset 1, 2, and 3, all of which I will append. So I will open this dataset 1 first and go to data editor view. You see this ID variable 1 to 20 and their names and the variables here. So if you so let's get rid of this and then open the second data set. So in this data set, I also go to here and you see the similar name variables and in this ID. So the similar kinds of idea and then similar kind of data and data set 3. Similarly, you have all these names and IDs. So this is the same kinds of data sets. So you really want to add them together to make it a single data file. So for which I need to do what I need to do is to open one of the files. So I'll open file 1 and then I'll go to data and combine datasets. Instead of merging two datasets, I'm gonna click on append datasets. Okay, so and I will browse here and pull up the dataset 2, and here it says select an additional file. So I'm gonna select dataset 3 from here and open. So now I have append these two datasets. So you have to click OK, and then all datasets are joined together, and you will see that now it's from 1 to 60. So we have added all observations in all three data files in a single file. So what appending means, as I have said, is adding these rows, not the columns here. We are not adding the variables in this column. We are basically adding these rows. So that's the difference in appending as opposed to and merging. Okay, so this is all about appending your data set in Stata. Thanks for watching. If you find it helpful, please subscribe to my channel.